Smart homes have come a long way, and with Apple HomeKit, connecting and managing your devices has never been easier. Imagine controlling everything from your iPhone or iPad, or even just using Siri on your HomePod. Unlike other platforms, HomeKit processes data locally, ensuring speed and efficiency. If you're ready to streamline your smart home experience, stick around as we dive into the 7 best HomeKit devices of 2024. Let's transform your home into a seamless, integrated system. Ever wondered what it feels like to have a concert hall in your living room? That's the magic of the Apple HomePod. It's not just loud, it's smart loud. Engineered for high-fidelity audio, this thing adapts to any room. The high-excursion woofer delivers deep, rich bass that you can feel, while 5 beam-forming tweeters hit those high notes with stunning clarity. Plus, with spatial audio, it makes you feel surrounded by the music. Room-sensing tech means it adjusts to its surroundings for the best possible sound. Pair 2 HomePods, and you've got an even wider soundstage. But it's not just about the sound. HomePod integrates seamlessly with your Apple ecosystem. Transfer music with a tap, use Siri to control your smart home, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with Apple's privacy-first approach. Plus, it's Matter-compatible, so it's future-proof. This is the HomePod. High-fidelity sound meets smart home genius. Transform your home into a smart powerhouse with the Eve Energy Smart Plug. This isn't just about turning things on and off remotely. It's about taking full control of your home's energy usage while keeping your data private. Powered by Matter and Thread, this plug seamlessly integrates with Apple HomeKit, making it a natural fit for an iOS-centric smart home. And get real-time energy consumption data to help cut down on those electricity bills. But what really sets it apart? No cloud, no tracking, just pure local control. You get real-time energy monitoring, voice control, and the ability to create custom schedules, all without compromising your privacy. And for those worried about setup, it's a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. In short, the Eve Energy Smart Plug is quick to set up, secure, and incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a powerhouse that blends streaming excellence with smart home control, the Apple TV 4K is where it's at. So, what's under the hood? Apple's A15 Bionic chip. This isn't just a speed bump, it's a full-on sprint. Load times are lightning fast, making it one of the most powerful streaming devices out there. The new Apple TV 4K supports HDR10+, so if your TV can handle it, you're in for some stunning visuals. And they finally switched to a USB-C remote. No more lightning cables. But here's where it gets interesting for smart home enthusiasts. The Apple TV 4K isn't just a media box, it's a HomeKit hub. It connects your smart home devices, automates routines, and does it all seamlessly with tvOS, the cleanest interface you'll find. And with Dolby Vision and Atmos, your viewing and listening experiences are nothing short of spectacular. Saving energy is just the beginning. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium takes smart home tech to a whole new level. This thermostat isn't just about adjusting temperatures, it's about transforming your entire home experience. First off, it can save you up to $284 a year on heating and cooling by learning your routine and automatically adjusting the temperature. It even reminds you when it's time to change your furnace's air filter. Small touches that make a big difference. But that's not all. This thermostat is also a full-fledged home monitoring hub. It detects smoke alarms, alerts you to possible break-ins, and even sends notifications when there's a sudden temperature drop. With built-in Siri or Alexa, it doubles as a smart speaker so you can control your home and play your favorite music. Plus, with smart sensor integration, it can manage hot and cold spots in your home. It's not just smart, it's proactive. Unlocking your door has never been easier or more secure. The schlage encode plus smart Wi-Fi deadbolt is here to redefine convenience. This smart lock is all about flexibility and security. Whether you're using a traditional key, a PIN code, or Apple's Home Key with your iPhone or Apple Watch, this lock has you covered. It's perfect for anyone, even those who aren't big on tech. Now, let's talk security. This thing is built like a tank, with a Grade 1 security rating and a built-in alarm for extra peace of mind. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can control and monitor your lock from anywhere using the Schlage Home app. Manage up to 100 access codes, view lock history, and even get notifications straight to your phone. Plus, it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for seamless voice control. This lock isn't just smart, it's next-level convenient. Meet the eufy Security Indoor Cam S350. This isn't just any indoor camera, it's the next level of home surveillance. With its dual camera system and 4K UHD resolution, you're getting unmatched clarity for every corner of your home. Thanks to its 4K wide-angle and 2K telephoto cameras, you get an impressive 8x hybrid zoom for those times when you need to see every detail up close. The 360-degree pan and tilt capabilities ensure you have complete coverage with no blind spots, making it perfect for keeping an eye on your pets or any corner of your room. Its exceptional night vision and 2 high-powered infrared LED lights lets you see faces clearly up to 32 feet away, even in low light. Plus, with intelligent AI-powered tracking, this camera follows family members or pets around the room with ease. It's security and clarity, all in one sleek package. Transform your space with the Philips Hue White Ambiance Smart Bulb, designed to fit perfectly into any room. These bulbs are more than just bright. They're smartly designed to enhance any space with their 85-watt equivalent, warm-to-cool white light. Whether you need a burst of cool white to kickstart your day or a cozy warm light to wind down, Philips Hue has you covered. Adding a Hue bridge unlocks the full potential. Automate your lighting, control it from anywhere, and ensure a stable connection that won't bog down your Wi-Fi. Plus, with Matter integration, you can connect these bulbs seamlessly with other smart home devices. And for those who love convenience, voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit lets you adjust your lights with just a simple command. Philips Hue transforms smart lighting into an effortless and adaptable part of your home. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best HomeKit devices for 2024. Which of these gadgets would you add to your smart home setup? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video, like, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.